So I want to show you one more step. So of course Marvin is also there. So before going to Marvin thing, okay, so how to do this one also we'll see. I have my default Marvin projects also available, so I can do that one. But before Marvin, so I want to show you how to integrate your IDEs. Means either you can choose Eclipse or Netbeans, anything, or a PyCharm, anything, no problem. Okay, so I'm opening uh, Netbeans kind of stuff. Okay, so it will take time. It will take at least 5 to 10 minutes time to open. Meanwhile, anybody having a doubts or not at all understanding step by step requirement, anything is there, please tell me. If you are not understand, it's okay, just you have to check it once manually, like as your requirement, then you can do it, guys. If in case your system is not supporting to set up this one, also please tell me, so you can access my system, this system or other system. I have a 2 3 systems are there. Sorry, I have only 2 systems. Okay, but this virtual machine is, it is working. Other machine also having Devops machine. It will take time anyway, this thing. So what I am going to explain, that is how to tell, right? First of all, see, what is the DevOps? Again, what is the DevOps? DevOps, first part is continuous development. Continuous development. Once you develop, then what you do? You have to continuous testing,
Testing.
integration, and in using integration, so you can go for a build, deploy, like this, right? So here it is. I already explained with Java. Like I take a Java file, okay, and I compiled with this. I automated this process, this part. So I created I have a Java file. I take a Java file. I compile and run the Java file using Jenkins. That's like a integration only. It is, we are integrating all other process into one single place. Next, again I added 2 lines in Java file. Again I take it in a, so very simple. Now this is simple. This is Jenkins. This is my Java file location. Okay, Java file. So I develop a Java file. Okay, I take it into Jenkins. I started doing the execution or building or whatever it is. Next, completed, right? Next, I went to this same Java file, add some more lines in it. Again, I take that one into Jenkins, I execute it. So what I'm doing is continuously I'm changing this one and continuously building. Sometimes it, hmm? Yeah, tell me. But okay, okay. We can define the triggers also. What is the defining triggers? When new build is done, whenever the code is done and committed into the resource location, take it and build it immediately. What happening here? With Git, I will change again. Here I build a code. I put the code into a central repository. Anything here we are using a GitHub, right? In GitHub again we take into Jenkins server. For example, you can sit somewhere, like for example you are in a Hyderabad, you are coding it and you are putting in GitHub. I'm in Pune, so I can take this one from into the in a Pune and execute it also. So this is one more easiest way to understand. Different locations also can do it. It depends upon this Git this versioning server. So what happened? I coding it. I put it into. I commit it to commit and push it to GitHub. Any new changes occur immediately in build triggers. I told build triggers. Any new changes occurs, build it immediately. Build it immediately. Okay, get the output. If any issues occur here when building, any issues occur, something goes wrong, put it in post build action. Like this is a issue is occur, so take care of it. Then this person developer will check it. What is the issue in that build? Again, he will change as per requirement and give it to GitHub, and from GitHub we can able to do it. So the meaning of continuous means the development is continuously we are doing development and we do integrated integration. So in the integration we can use the different tools to build it. Okay. Here what is the practical we are doing? We take IDE, we'll take IDE, we build a code in IDE or we take the code from different places like we build the code here. We put this from IDE to GitHub directly instead of using a commands and all. Okay, you can put it in a GitHub. Okay, and we'll take it from the GitHub and we'll build in with the Jenkins. Guys, sometimes you have to think discretely. I mean, discrete, not everything as a one. So you have to think separate way, separate machine way. So you will understand very easily. Okay. Mm. So last time I built some application. This is some application. I built actually it's Java application and I created like this. Okay. Here this is the demo Java one. But I created this one, so that is it may give you a column also. So don't worry. This is just hello Java one. Hello, this is a pack. So if you don't mention a package, no problem. If you mention a package, means it's a lot of folders are there, like folders like uh, dot com slash dot com slash demo java app one slash vedic slash demo java one. Okay, like that it will come up. Okay, so it's okay. So we'll try to run first of all. So this is already existing program, no need to create anything. Okay, something it is showing written error because it's having some ant properties kind of stuff where it is demo java app one. No errors actually. Can run it again. The first time build fail build.xml. Why this is XML is doing something? What is the error? I am not getting any error here. This is demo application. This is servlet application. What happening? Error could not find load main class. Mhm. If it is not finding, then what to do? Thing is got changed. Documents. src com vedic. Here it is. Build imply.xml. It is not showing any XML file. One second, this is always debug the file. Huh? Build successful. Okay. Now it is showing build successful after debugging. Lot of buggings are there. Okay. So this is our file. Now I want to upload into GitHub. Then how to upload into GitHub? Very simple. Click on this one. So important thing in Agile is working model is important. That's why. Make sure that it's working. You can build clean build. By default Java builds are coming. But what I'm doing is I right click on this project. Okay. And I'm going to versioning. You can see, guys, able to see this versioning, or can I increase the,
Sir,
yeah. So right click on it, go up to versioning. Versioning. So it is different versionings are showing Git, Mercurial, and Subversion. I use Git. Git. Okay. Git. Now this is the root path where actually project is stored. Okay. That's the root path. Now it is initializing. It means git init. It is done. It is doing git init. Then it will do git add. Git commit we should do it. And remote repositories we have to tell. Demo Java app 1, right? So that is, so let's remember that. Now can you see this is a symbol represent. You can see a blue color cylinders. It represent, and the color change it to here green color. It means the git is initiated. That's it. But not yet. See now the versioning is gone. It is showing git. What is the next step? Git initiate is completed. Now git add. Add the files. Okay. It is adding the files here. See. Add is finished. Now what is the next one? Add finished. After adding, we have to do commit. It's committing all the files. Then you have to give the commit message. Okay, so you can tell my first commit, or Java commit, or anything. So who is committers? Automatically Latif Vedic. So by default from the system, because in this system, as per the system, it is added. And click on commit. Why it is showing commit red color? End of the commit. Committing is finished. After committing is finished, so see, it is that the color things are gone. What is the next step? Remote. So in remote repository should be there, right? So I'm going to create a new repository for this one. Actually, I have to delete lot of repositories. So I'm going to create new repository. New repository. Okay. So what is the name of that project? Demo Java App 1. Okay. Demo Java App 1. Public repository. Just create a repository. And I created a repository and copy this link. Copy the link. This link. Copy it. Next. So I have to add a remotely, right? So then right click, again Git. You have to add it, right? Remote. Git remote push to upstream or push anything. Push. I put a push. What will happen? We'll see. Now it is asking. So where it is the repository location? Specify location or select a configure location like this. You can already there. It means you can select it specifically. Otherwise, first time you are giving. So give the location correctly. So I pasted here. I removed what are the existing one. I pasted here. I use origin. Okay, like this. And if you want to anonymous kind of stuff, leave the blankly. Otherwise, give the name. This is a username, and I'm giving the password. Next. Mhm. So local branches. Select it. Select this one. Next. Finish it. Okay. So it is a phishing. Locally you want to master branch track remote well, like something it is showing. Yes. Read it carefully when you do it. Now refresh your GitHub. Am I get it? I got this one. See, like this. Now I uploaded my program. I uploaded my program. Like you can see, this is my Java file. Only one single line is there. Okay. Next. This is just I implemented and I done right. Now if I want to edit something here, if I want to edit something here, so I can able to edit, right? Same. So don't worry, guys. I'm showing always same example. Mm, okay. Now I change some code in my file. In my file only. I'm not adding new file. Just in my file. I done. So I'm saving the code. Okay. File is saved. Again, I have to run this one. I have to test single code, right? So I'm testing it. I'm running the project. So why build fail? What happening to this? Build failed, failed, failed. I'll go for debugging part because this is packages. Maybe because of the package, it is showing like that. It's unable to load main class file. So what to do with the main class file? So we have to remove the main class file or what? It is there src normally source package, but this is giving really shit. Src. Oh, so this is the file. Just I'm verifying something. That's why you should not put a big names. Hmm. Very good. Not big error. Hmm. I done correctly. Don't understand that is. Why I'm getting this error? I don't understand. Second, someone came. Why today afternoon very less people are there? Very less people. Shit. First of all, it should be in our side. It should be execute properly, right? Why that is. See, run file. Running the file it is running, but running a project it is not running. When I run this one, it is not running. So we have to debug complete project, then only it will run. Maybe still not running. Build is successful, but unable to load. Not length of the project. One second, a small change is required for this one. Why it is uh, this and builds and all like that only. So okay, so we'll go for a next level. So I change and then I do commit. So before commit, we have to git add. Okay, so git add, git commit, commit the changes, second commit. Okay, and git remote push. Next, same thing. Next, finish. So of course there is some issue. Here it is not working. Okay, next, refresh. Now I got second commit and go to this file. Okay, so you can see the new one is here. Okay, if you want to build that one, if you want to do it, maybe you will get a error only. Okay, because it's there itself it is a error, means how can it is possible. Demo 4. Okay, so now it is Java, Netbeans, Git, source code, Git, then go to this one, app, like this, and click here. Automatically this red color will go on. Build. Um, just we are building as a wall type building only. Okay, otherwise you can do different type of buildings as per your requirement. You can change it. Okay, Java C. There is actually a code will be there. So not, not this one. Anyway, both are not working. It is showing error. Save it. Build now. That is going on. So we'll see. It is failure. Red color. Failure. Failure is okay to understand. So it is. I am trying no source file. It is showing. Okay. So how it is there inside, then we can able to type according to that one. Okay. So in a version location, how the file is shows, that is important. Demo for. So first we have to go to .src .com, this one and this one and this one, right? So that is we have to change .src /src .java. So we'll change first this one. Okay, Control Z, Control C, back. Still no guarantee. Configure. Guys, take a break. Just 10-15 minutes. Take a break. Okay. I will finish in 2-3 minutes and leave it, because next one is Marvin is there, plus Docker is there. I will show you how to install a Docker also. Okay, that is important. This is also important, but it will take time, or sometimes no guarantee success, not successful. Okay. Yeah, second one starting only showing red color. Okay, starting red color. Yeah, could not find load main class. Same error there and here now. Correctly error is came. So class file is created or not? Yes, class file is created, but it is not executing. It is telling could not find the load main class like this one or not, like this. So main class is showing like this. Okay, guys, take a break. Take a break, guys, and we will be back. So next, I will show you Marvin. Marvin anyway headache, so that's why. Take a break for 25. Why?